Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gcash and verifying your access. This prevents lockouts mid-process. Once in, make sure your MPIN is ready and your phone has stable internet so nothing times out. Tap the menu or profile icon to reach settings. These are where recurring authorizations live. Don't backtrack. Go directly to payments, subscriptions, or linked accounts depending on your app layout. This first set of actions places you exactly where. Once done, navigate to payments and then to auto debit, subscriptions, or linked accounts. Labels vary by version. You will see a list of merchants and services. Tap the one you want to stop. Review the authorization, frequency, amount cap, and linked card or bank. If the option is edit or manage, use it to cancel the schedule. If it's a toggle, switch it off. Make sure you confirm cancellations. The app should display a success message or updated status. The final steps are confirmation and verification. Save screenshots or note the confirmation message, and check your email or SMS for a cancellation receipt. If the toggle won't change or the merchant still charges, unlink the linked card or bank from your Gcash wallet. That cuts off future debits. If charges persist, contact the merchant first, then Gcash support with transaction ID and screenshots. One troubleshooting tip: clearing app cache or updating the app often resolves UI issues blocking cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.